I just knew that I wouldn't even last 5 seconds. You know what I mean? Like that, and way too big. The bull is small. Like I just know that wasn't going to work out well. It was literally like 2 seconds. As soon as I got on the bull turn sideways, poof, that was it. Over in a flash.
Me I say, oh, me I go reach up on that. I always say, alright, I will try anything else, jump off a building or something, but I always see this bull thing I go up and down at some event, and I say, I would never ever try that. I couldn't go up on the bull. Because remember say me big, you know, so by the time I step in at it, something like a bounce about to get up on the bull.
Come on,
me I sink. And it's not even a real bull. Imagine, I'm afraid of cows, literally, you know.
It's not low, and to get up on that, you know, you have to have a bit of flexibility.
Yes!
I was surprised, but she just jumped up on it and just step up on my leg.
Like how Sweet Pepper jump up on it. She full of energy though, because she's so fat. And she jump up on that bull there. Man, she gone.
Alright! Boy, careful! You don't start move yet.
I can't describe what going on with the bull. I did it because I had to. You feel my heart, Siobhan?
What do you mean what string? See the string in front of you. Come on, relax. On your mark, get set, go.
Shoot! I can't lock my leg. Well, I did the bull, the brown bull.
For the bull, I wasn't expecting anything special from any one of them because I know that is not easy.
Oh, c'est Andre ride this bull here.
On your mark, get set, go.
I was very nervous, I won't say no. I was actually, concerned.
Andre, we can do this. We're winning. We're winning this today. We can do this.
He had a little technique because he was trying to tell me and Kerry how to do it.
Hold on. Okay.
Oh yes, this is good. Let me hold on a little more.
Oh God, it's going to drop off. I'm going good still. You have any oxygen?
Remember, be strong. I think Kerry made up her mind from the beginning that she couldn't do it.
All right, Kerry, okay?
She made up her mind that I don't know if I can do it. She started to get nervous. She was like having anxiety. I can't do this. I'm like, Kerry, you can do it. It's fun. Just go up there and do it.
On your mark, get set, go. Come on. Focus, Kerry.
As she went on, bloop, she was off.
It was fun. I can say that I did enjoy the ride. No, sir.
Breathe. Yes. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Breathe, breathe, breathe. For every challenge, I tend to think strategy. Couldn't really come up with any for the bull. So I just told them, go and do your best. Jamaica, you got that, you know.
What's up?
Easy as that.
Let's climb up on something.
Easy as that. Easy as that.
Ready for it?
Easy as that.
First time going on a bull. I don't know what for hold on, I don't know what to do. Me that fret. Me that fret, honestly.
All right, team, on your mark, get set, go.
Right, yeah. Just watch your angle, watch your angle, watch your angle. That's it. Doing fine. Same way. Same way. Same way. Same way. Same way. Alright. Good rider. Good rider. Good rider.
Yeah, that bull thing, you know. Never really a fan of the bull.
On your mark, get set, go.
was just for school.